Nasser and Ranjbar, the managing editor of the journal and Applied Sciences, with Benjamin Balke from Fraunhofer Institute in Hanau and Alsenau. So we would like to talk about the topical collection, which will be opened in our journal with the collaboration with the Fraunhofer Institute, and give you some information about call for papers on this topical collection. So the topic is material recycling and resources strategies. So probably Benjamin can give us some information about the motivation for opening this topical collection and what do you expect from it.
Yeah, thanks for having me here and give me the opportunity that we could tease a little bit this topical collection. We would like to do this on the recycling and sustainability and materials research for recycling. And we in our Fraunhofer IWQS, we do the recycling of magnets, for example, from high power permanent magnets, from wind turbines, from motors, from electromotors in the e-mobility, and we do recycling of all kinds of other devices from the e-mobility, so like the electromotors, the batteries, and so on. And this is extremely important because the challenges in the future will be that we can make maybe new materials, but as well that we get the materials which are out there already in the devices, in the electromotors or in the e-scooters, like in China. There are millions of e-scooters since 10 years around. These batteries will come back and we have to recycle them, and that we keep that we are going to something like what they call circular economy, so that we precious and rare materials, which are not only the rare earth materials, into the circular economy, so that we are reusing them. And we are in our Fraunhofer Institute. We are doing this. We do recycling on the batteries, and to hope and to make new batteries out of it, for example, and magnets.
Okay, so you know that SN Applied Sciences is an interdisciplinary journal. So basically it covers, of course, material as probably the focus, but also chemistry, physics, and engineering and environmental science. So this topical collection in this journal, so what do you expect? How do you expect from the scientists from other fields, let's say, to contribute in this topical collection?
So this challenge of the future of this e-mobility, we need to solve the problems. We need experts from all kinds of fields, like chemists who maybe produce new kind of batteries or new materials for new batteries. We need the physicists for the fundamental understanding of this physics. We need the engineers who make the process or the large scale process, for example, to make from recycled material new magnets for wind turbines, for all the motors which they want to put in the cars. Like in Germany, the big car manufacturer like Volkswagen, they want to produce 22 million electro cars in the next 10 years. And they need batteries for this, and they need magnets for this, and they need high power permanent magnets for this, and the demand for materials research for all kinds of this interdisciplinary fields is highly important. So we need all experts.
That's true.
And this should be as well for this topical collection that we address, that we want to have contributions from all kinds of fields, as well interdisciplinary papers or review articles about these topics.
Yes, and basically we are not only looking for research articles, we are also looking for review works, perspectives, so all of them can contribute in this topical collection. So which basically address our past problems and want to find solutions for the future, and it's very important, that's true. So should we talk about like call for paper, the details, from when scientists can submit their articles?
So the call for papers will be open around mid of June on the Spring in Nature Applied Scientist webpage. And we plan to have the deadline end of September this year, so that the articles or this topical collection will be online end of the year.
Okay.
This is the plan. And I think there are a lot of interesting and really, really good scientists here on this conference and who will have a contribution to this.
And will join us.
Of course, I think this is no problem that we get enough high quality publications.
Yes, that's true. And one of the advantages in publishing with SN Applied Sciences is that we have a very fast publishing speed, basically. So the articles which are submitted, of course, we will go through the review work, which you and other scientists will do that. And then the time between submission and publishing online is very short. So basically, they can have their article very fast online.